I'm back out at Chase Field Saturday, March 27th for the Texas Mile. All right, so here at the Texas Mile, there's actually a booth where they're giving the vaccine. So today, I'm going to get my first Pfizer shot. All right, and as simple as that, I have my first shot. So get out there, do your part, get your shot so we can get through this. E-Type Jaguar. But this is not the car that we came out to see today.
If I get around to getting another Twin Turbo,
he was just saying it's probably due.
Today we came out to see this Nissan GTR. Okay, so here's a point where we need to have a conversation. So what you're looking at may look odd to some of you because you've probably not seen this before. But this is a hand-controlled device that's used by a person who wouldn't normally be able to use their feet to control the pedals. So you can use your left hand to control the gas and the brake. And the reason for this is because Kurt, the owner of this GTR, cannot use his feet to control the brake and the gas. Only 14 hours prior to the arrival of this car at this event. This car had been in Houston, connected to a dynometer to be tuned for best performance. And even as you see this scene where the car is pulled up for the tech inspection, they actually still have to remove the driver's seat and install the 6-point harness that's required by the safety rules for the event.
Bert, how you feel? Getting the adrenaline going yet? All right.
This is the timing trailer. This is where all the cars stop so the drivers can get their official printed ticket of their top speed. Check that out, a McLaren. Listen to that exhaust. That is smooth.
Windows up.
So while the Texas Mile is not a competition between each racer, such as quarter-mile drag racing, it's still racing in the fact that you have to contend with things like track conditions and the maintenance of the car. So the last run that Corey made in the GTR, something came off from the bottom of the GTR. So I'm headed back down to the opposite end, another mile and a half.
walk for me. And we'll assess the situation.
I heard I can do this all fucking day.
Bottom
I'm
up.
buying a GTR tomorrow. Is that right? Hey, Clark, you open the hood? Yes, sir. I didn't have latch. It's okay. I mean, you know, it's not very modified. No head scan.
One thing that you'll notice out here at the Texas Mile is all of the campers and RVs. Literally, the die-hard people come out here and camp out all weekend. But there's no electrical power available out here, so they're all running on generators, and they're all grilling out.